Revolut Currency Exchange is a service provided by Revolut, a digital banking platform that allows users to exchange currencies at competitive rates. To understand how it works, let's break it down step by step. First, you need to have a Revolut account, which you can easily set up using their mobile app. Once you have an account, you can add money to it using your debit or credit card, or by transferring funds from your bank account. Next, you can use the Revolut app to exchange currencies. The app will show you the current exchange rate, which is updated in real time. You can then choose the currency you want to exchange and the amount you want to exchange it for. One of the key benefits of using Revolut for currency exchange is that they offer competitive exchange rates with minimal fees. This means you can get a better deal than you would at a traditional bank or currency exchange office. For example, if you're traveling to Europe and need to exchange your money for euros, you can use Revolut to get a competitive exchange rate. Let's say you want to exchange $1,000 for euros. With Revolut, you might get an exchange rate of $1 to 0.88 euros, which would give you approximately 880 euros. In addition to competitive exchange rates, Revolut also offers a range of other features that make it easy to manage your money abroad. For example, you can use your Revolut card to make purchases or withdraw cash from ATMs. And you can also use the app to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. To get the most out of Revolut's currency exchange service, it's a good idea to keep an eye on exchange rates and transfer your money when the rate is in your favor. You can also use the app to set up notifications so you're alerted when the exchange rate reaches a certain level. Overall, Revolut's currency exchange service is a convenient and cost-effective way to exchange currencies. Whether you're traveling abroad or just need to send money to someone in another country, by following these steps and using the features available in the Revolut app, you can make the most of your money and avoid unnecessary fees and charges.